buddy ripped it today. I didn't get any video. I was working at the military. It rained, and it just started raining again right now as I got down here. But it's all ripped. I'm gonna go through, throw some, there's a root ball there. He got a couple rocks. I'm gonna give it a couple days to settle, and then I'm gonna come in here and plant it. So we're gonna have a nice food plot. All right, so back down here at the food plot. It's probably still a little wet. It looks a little wet right here anyways. Lots of deer tracks. Right here you can see it's a little soft. Greg is running a Rural King. I don't know what model that is, 37 maybe? He's doing the rototilling, getting it to a better seed bed. Then we'll be able to plant the clover. I'm gonna throw some of this stuff out of the way, like these chunks of wood. But yeah, he's running the rototiller, getting it worked up. It's a, yeah, RK37 he's got. I don't know what he's got going on right here. Might have disconnected for some reason. Lots of rocks down here that he's pulling up when he ripped it. So I'm going to throw rocks in the bucket. We're gonna take them up, use them in that drain ditch that you'll see in another project. Getting worked up nice, still wet. A lot of rocks and roots. Those rototillers are nice though. Well, we've been working on this for about 20 minutes and we about got it done. Couple more passes here and this will all be nice. It's real nice. It really needs to settle a bit. It's so fluffy. It needs to dry out. I want to get the seed down. It's my neighbor Greg. He runs equipment for me. His tractor. We're bartering some equipment usage right now. I've had this imperial whitetail for a long time, and it's Clover. I'm gonna put it down right here. It says it does a good area. Let me look. This bag is 4 pounds. Plants up to like a ½ acre, it says right here. So this is definitely less than a ½ acre, so we should have enough. It's so tiny though. If you look down in here, it's just like smaller than BBs. Very small. And I'll just keep broadcasting more until we have good cover. Because I don't know what raid, or I'm just broadcasting it and trying to cover this whole area. All right, here's what it looks like. I'll keep you updated how it turns out. Took about 30 minutes to rototill it. It's really soft right now, just after getting churned up, and still kind of wet down here, but worked up nice. For the amount of trees and everything that were here, I dug them stumps out, brush hogged all this. Big change from what it was.